Buenos dias. We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase, which is how to say, what are you doing? But in Spanish, we'll be looking at how to say more interesting and often mispronounced Spanish vocabulary too, to improve your Spanish, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say this phrase? ¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué estás haciendo? Is how you'd say it in Spanish. ¿Qué estás haciendo? So you do want to stress on the que, really, the estás, on the second syllable of estás, because there's an accent on the a, and then haciendo. Note that the C letter is pronounced with your tongue between your teeth, a little bit like a TH in English. ¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué estás haciendo? And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting words and names from Spanish whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.